Hello children, let us start on the next lesson, that is pronouns. Now what do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. It means that we cannot repeat the nouns again and again. So to avoid the repetition of noun, we use pronouns. For example, he, she, I, me, mine. Now there are 8 kinds of pronouns. The first one is your personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are of 3 kinds: first person, second person, third person. Now the first person is the person who is the speaker. The speaker is the first person. So when we speak when we talk, we use the words that we use for ourselves is I, me, mine. And if we are if many people stand together and they talk, then in a group they talk, then we say we, us, ours. So these are the first person. Second person is the listener, the person who listens. So जो सामने वाला होता है जिससे हम बात करते हैं, तो जिन वर्ड से हम उनको डिनोट करते हैं, उनको बुलाते हैं, तो इन इंग्लिश वी हैव यू, योर्स, राइट, यू, योर्स. एंड हिंदी में जैसे कहते हैं तुम, तुम्हारा. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड पर्सन is that the first person and second person मिलके किसी तीसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then those words are third person. Like he, she, it, him, her, it, his, her. Okay, और he, she, it इनका plural क्या होता है? They. Him, her, it का plural them. His, her, its का plural their. So these words are your these words are your personal pronoun. The second is here you have to keep it in mind when we talk about good manners. So जब हम बात करते हैं when we take the names of some persons and I, जैसे कि just see the example Hari, Shiv and I. जब हमें ऐसे 3-4 लोगों के नेम लेने होते हैं और अपना भी इंक्लूड करना होता है, तो गुड मैनर्स सेज दैट I should be in the end. हम I को लास्ट में लगाते हैं हमेशा. You, Hari and I, my father and I. तो यहाँ पे I and my father, I, Hari and Shiv आप नहीं बोलोगे. It will be regarded as bad manners. So for good manners, you always place I and the end. And when you have when the pronouns is connected with some conjunction, for example, just to see in the example, these books are for you and me. Now you is a pronoun and these two are the pronouns, and these two pronouns are connected with the conjunction. दोनों ही ये pronouns होने चाहिए, और इनको conjunction से हम जब connect कर रहे हैं, then we will use in place of I, we will use me. These books are for you and me. अगर हम यहाँ लगा देंगे these books are for you and I, it will be wrong. See the next example. He invited my sister and me. Here this word sister is a noun and me is your pronoun. तो यहाँ पे and से connect हुआ है. So here we will not use I, we will use me. Okay. See the second type of pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. They are receivers of the action. Reflexive pronoun and behave like objects of verbs, but they refer to the same person as the subject. देखो इसमें जो सब्जेक्ट होता है, जो काम करने वाला होता है, जिसके बारे में हम सेंटेंस में बात करते हैं, वही रिसीवर होता है एक्शन का. उसी के ऊपर ही फाइनली वो एक्शन उसी के ऊपर ही हो जाता है. Those words are reflexive pronouns. You just see, I was present myself on that occasion. मैंने अपने आप को उस ओकेजन पे प्रेजेंट किया था. तो यहाँ पे I जो है मेरे ऊपर ही काम हो रहा है. You will fall down and hurt yourself. तुम गिर जाओगे और अपने आप को hurt करोगे. So here yourself is your reflexive action. So just see myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. These are the singular ones, and ourselves, yourselves, themselves are the plural ones. Okay, yourself is used in singular also and plural also. जब हम एक सामने वाला सिर्फ एक होता है, तब आप self yourself यूज करोगे, एंड इफ द पर्सन टू whom you are talking are more than one, like the teacher is talking to the class, so you have to do the work yourselves. तो टीचर जब कह रही है कि तुमको आपको अपने आप काम करना है, ये बच्चों को क्लास में कह रही है, तो in that case we will use yourselves, we will not use yourself. Okay, the next one is your demonstrative pronoun. Now demonstrative pronoun are the pronouns, they point out to object or objects for which they are used. ये point out करने के लिए होते हैं, जैसे this is my bag, that is your pen, these are Ravi's books, those are your sister's things, right? So these, this, that, those, such, these words are demonstrative pronouns. They are used for pointing out some object or objects. Okay, now next is your indefinite pronoun. Now indefinite pronoun, as the name suggests, indefinite means not fixed, not definite. So when there are certain pronouns that are used in the common, in general way, हम इनको जनरल वे में यूज़ करते हैं. हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के लिए या किसी फिक्स चीज़ के लिए, पर्सन के लिए या थिंग के लिए हम उसको यूज़ नहीं कर रहे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम पीपल लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. तो यहाँ पे एक हम जनरल बात कह रहे हैं, हम हर एक, वी आर नॉट talking about some particular people, but we are talking this sentence in general, right? So जब हम general sense में ये words use करते हैं, then these words are known as indefinite pronouns. Example are some, all, many, few, one, none, others, etc. And see the sentence, all were present. यहाँ पे हम general कह रहे हैं कि सभी present थे, हम किसी particular के लिए नहीं कह रहे. Some were missing from the class trip. Here also we are using the word some in general. So they are known as indefinite pronouns.